Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make time for everything. Many people feel overwhelmed, but the secret lies in a focused approach. We will explore how to identify your true priorities, those one or two things that truly matter most. By ruthlessly eliminating non-essential tasks, you free up valuable hours. This method helps you concentrate your energy on high-impact activities, ensuring you achieve your most important goals without constant stress. It's about working smarter, not just harder, to reclaim your day. To truly make time, you must first identify your core priorities. Start by listing every commitment and goal you have, no matter how small. Then, categorize these tasks using a system like the Eisenhower matrix, separating urgent from important. The goal is to pinpoint your top 3 non-negotiable priorities for the week or month. These are the tasks that, if completed, would make the biggest difference in your life. Focus your energy here first, dedicating at least 2 hours daily to them. Once priorities are clear, strategic time blocking is essential. Dedicate specific, uninterrupted blocks of time to your top 3 priorities each day. For example, block out 90 minutes in the morning for your most critical task. During these focused work sessions, eliminate all distractions, turning off notifications. Remember to integrate short, 5-minute breaks every hour to maintain your energy and focus. This structured approach ensures consistent progress on what truly matters, preventing less important tasks from consuming your day. Sustaining this system requires regular review and adaptation. At the end of each week, take 15 minutes to assess your progress and adjust your priorities or schedule. Diligently protect your scheduled focus time from interruptions and new requests. Remember, saying no to non-essential tasks is crucial for maintaining your boundaries. Celebrate your small wins and accomplishments along the way. This helps maintain motivation and reinforces positive habits. Consistency over several months will transform your productivity and free up significant time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.